In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log meeting in HubSpot CRM. First, open the HubSpot login page and sign into your workspace. I'm using sign in with Google for this walkthrough, so I'll click that option and select my Google account. If your company uses a different login method, just complete that flow and you'll land in HubSpot all the same. Once you're in, head to the CRM area, then go to Contacts. Use the search bar if you need to and open the contact record where you want this meeting captured. Inside the contacts timeline, look toward the activity toolbar and open the More menu. Choose Log a Meeting. This option is specifically for recording a meeting that already took place, so it becomes part of the contact's history and reporting. Set the meeting date to the day it actually happened, then adjust the time. Accurate timing helps with activity reporting and makes your timeline easier to scan later. Next, pick a meeting outcome. For example, if the meeting was moved, select Rescheduled. If it happened as planned, choose the most appropriate outcome offered by your account's settings. In the notes box, write a clear summary. Include the purpose of the meeting, highlights from the conversation, decisions made, and any blockers. Keep it concise but searchable, and avoid pasting confidential information. If other stakeholders attended, mention their roles so teammates understand the context at a glance. If you want to set a follow-up immediately, check the Create a To-Do option. This makes a task tied right back to the meeting. Choose the task type, like call or email. I'll pick call here. Then set when the follow-up should occur. You can choose a quick preset, such as in 1 week, or select a specific date and time if that works better for your cadence. Adding a due date keeps your pipeline moving and helps automations and reminders work in your favor. When everything looks good, click Log Meeting. HubSpot will save the activity to the contacts record, record the outcome, and create the follow-up task if you selected one. Now your teammates can see what happened, and you have a clear next step scheduled. That's it. You signed in, opened the CRM, found your contact, logged the meeting with the correct date and time, chose an outcome, added concise notes, created a follow-up task, and saved. Use this same flow after every customer conversation to keep your data clean and your follow-ups consistent.